How to hide your followers and following on TikTok. Hello, everyone. This is Max, and welcome back to another valuable and easy-to-follow tutorial. If you're looking to keep your TikTok followers and following list private, you're in the right place. Let's dive in without wasting a second. Make sure to stay tuned until the end for all the steps and helpful tips. 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch TikTok on your device. 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. 3. Access settings. Tap the three-line menu at the top right corner of the screen. 4. Navigate to privacy settings. Select Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Privacy. 5. Hide following list. Scroll down to Allow following list to be seen by and tap on it. Select Only You to make your following list private. 6. Hide followers by enabling a private account. Go back and enable the toggle for private account under privacy settings. And that's all you need to ensure your TikTok profile stays private and secure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more practical and engaging tutorials. See you in the next video.